How to add the dark effect in video in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add dark effect feature, there are two ways to achieve this. First one would be removing or adjusting the brightness, and second is using the template or feature provided by the CapCut itself. So first of all, tap open your CapCut application. After that, select the video in which you want to make the changes to. Once you have opened the video or chosen the video, first thing first, you'll have to scroll down or slide towards the left. Then tap on Adjust button. Select the brightness and then decrease it towards the negative side. This should add the darkness to your video and you can export it as well. However, if you do not like this process, another way would be choose the filters. Once you click on the filter option, you'll have to now slide towards the left and then select on mono option. Once you select on mono, you can now go for black forest feature or filter. Tap on it and then you can adjust the brightness or darkness as per your wish. You can increase or decrease it and then export the video to use it as per your convenience. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.